What's going on, guys? So it's been a while since I've made my last video. I've kind of just gave up on YouTube. There's a few reasons why. YouTube just kind of irritates me. Every time I work hard on a video or every time I post a video that I feel means a lot, they end up taking it down. I'm going to show you guys right here. They sent me a message where they just took down one of my videos, and in this video I exposed a lot. I followed every guideline and they still take it down. Also, it's not the first time that YouTube has taken down one of my videos. Every time I make a video that exposes something or that speaks the truth about something, my video gets taken down. There's literally no freedom of speech, and that's why I just don't really post on YouTube. But either way, in this video we're going to talk about how I managed to make $240K in 6 months. So I actually started and finished recording this video on July 1st, and right now it's July 13th. And at the time when I initially started recording this video, my total came up to $240K, and now today my total is, I'm not just going to talk about it, I'm going to show you guys the proof. We're going to go on my computer, we're going to go into my bank accounts, and of course I'm also going to give you guys some hints and explain to you how easy or how hard it really is to do it. It's 100% possible. If I can do it, there's nothing more special about me than anyone else, then that means you guys could do it. The most important tip and what you need to do is create multiple sources of income. If you only have one income, then that means you're one income away from zero, because at least if one goes down, you have others to carry you, or out of all the incomes you have, one of them might blow up. It's kind of hard to just like one day be like, I need all these incomes. Make it a yearly thing. So if you have an income now, this year try to work on getting your second income, and then once you got that, next year work on your third. Every year, maybe as your New Year's resolution, try to create a new source of income, which in this video I'm going to show you guys the different sources of income, the different accounts. Also, if you want me to go into more detail as to what types of incomes or other incomes you could create, you could check out my other video, how to make 100K in 1 year. Another thing obviously is if you're making a lot of money, it's very easy or very tempting to just spend it all. There's no way you can continue making more money if you spend everything that you make. So the most important thing is reinvesting your profits or living below your means. So right now for me, it's very easy to save and make and continue to reinvest all my money because I'm living below my means. Everything is pretty much paid for on its own. There's a very high ratio for the income versus expenses. So for example, if you're making 10K a month, it's very easy to spend all that in 1 month. Your goal is to spend as little of that as possible, and whatever's left at the end of the month, you got to try to save and reinvest the remaining amount of money. So it's very easy to make a lot of money, and then your expenses go up according to your lifestyle, according to the money you make. You got to try to maintain that same lifestyle, and you got to try to save as much as possible, especially in the early ages. You have to pay yourself before you pay everyone else, because if you're paying everyone else, that means you're not saving anything. That means you can't create a snowball effect, which is what you have to do. You kind of have to start off with a little snowball, and you have to keep feeding and growing that snowball, which is why I'm telling you, every time you get a new income, every time one of your incomes grows, that snowball keeps growing. Every time you reinvest all those profits, your snowball just keeps growing. So of course I'm going to tell you guys a few of my incomes. Obviously the stock market is my income, YouTube is my income, I have a house out west which I rent out, my sales are my income, and I have lots of videos on YouTube where I talk about all the different products that I sell. And of course today I will also be revealing one product that I sell. You know what, I'm actually going to show you two products that I've been selling, and each of these products can be considered an additional source of income. For example, this right here is a smart light bulb. You pretty much connect it to your phone and it changes different colors. Green laser pointer, and these are powerful laser pointers, and it's just another random product, another source of income. Every year I've been trying to add another income, and even this year I have added more incomes. So if you have more incomes, 6, 7, 8, 10 incomes, at that point obviously you're going to be making more money. Enough of these tips, we're going to go straight into my computer. I'm going to show you guys everything, all the numbers, all the proof, just so you guys know that I'm not just talking out my, you guys will know exactly how I got to total of 240K in 6 months. Don't forget to leave me a quick thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and let's hop in my computer right now. So now's the moment of truth. Go into my computer and I will show you guys exactly how I'm making 240K in 6 months. We're gonna start from smallest to largest income. My smallest income right now is my TD trading account, mostly because I did start this late in the year. And with this account, I made $2,665.67 American. And you can kind of see here real quick the companies I invested in. Clover Health, which was $2,400 profit. These are just companies that I did day trades and swing trades. I just started this account and it is my smallest income. And then we're gonna go to the second one, which is my Scotia trading account. Once again, the gains are quite small compared to my other years, mostly because I haven't been taking that much risk. Canadian dollars, I made $1,873.29. In the US dollars, I made $2,922. Also, just so you know, it's the year to date, and today is July 1st. It's apparently Canada Day or Happy Indigenous Day. I don't know what's going on here. They're just trying to divide us and conquer us. Anyways, can even go back here from January 1st to June 30th. We're going to go over to my Scotia accounts, which is where I deposit money, and this is my American account. In the end, the total amount of deposit, so it's $8,144 US into this account, and you could see the date here. We're going to move on to the next account. This account has deposited $2,596, and then we're going to move up to my main account, which is at TD, and this is my checkings account with TD. And as you can see, you see the withdrawals, the deposits, and you can go scroll through here. You just see a bunch of deposits, and that's just me pretty much depositing all the cash or all the money. And you see a bunch of e-transfers. Most of my deposits go into this bank. And then if we scroll all the way here, which is in January 4th, you can see the total spending. I spent about $153K, but I deposited $213K and $385 in my bank. Most of the spending is me just reinvesting, try to create that snowball effect where you keep investing everything you make. And as you can see right here, in the last 6 months, you have $213K. And last but not least, I'm also going to be adding the cash that I have, and probably by the end of this video, I will be depositing this cash into the bank just to prove to you guys that it is real cash. I'm just going to count it real quick, and I'll be adding it to my total. I did go to the bank today and I did deposit some money. Here's my bank receipt right here. And as you can see, I deposited $4,400. I'll show you guys in my bank transaction. So as you can see right here, July 13th, there was a deposit of $4,400, just like I showed you guys on this receipt. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, which will show you my total deposits, you're gonna see a total of $252,814. That's pretty much not including any of my other accounts. That's just this account alone. This account has blown up. So now that I inserted my new numbers, I'm gonna show you them real quick. So my main sales account after July 13th is at $252,814 deposited. My stock market TD US dollars was $2,665 US. I converted that into Canadian, which is $3,305.34. My US Scotia account was $8,144, and I converted that into Canadian, which is $10,099. My Scotia stock, which was $1,873. My American stock, which is $2,922.82. I converted that into Canadian, which is $3,624.29, plus my Scotia Canadian, which is $2,596, and the new total is $274,312. If we do some math, as you can see, $274,312 divided by 6, which will round it up to per month. I make around $45K per month. And if you divide the 45,718 divided by 4, it will give me 11.4K per week. And if you divide that by 7, I'll be getting $1,632.81 per day. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video, and hopefully you guys can start on your second income this year. Don't forget, every year add a new income. And also don't forget, if you enjoy this type of content, leave me a thumbs up, share this with your friends and family. And if you're new here, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.